to Laura's Market Fresh Club. Today I'm going to teach you how to cook spinach for maximum iron. So I already steamed some spinach, which helps boost the vitamin C content in the spinach. So I'm going to take our steamed spinach, squeeze a little bit of the juices out, and put it in my little mixing bowl here. A little bit of squeeze. So the most important thing when you're trying to maximize your iron in your spinach is to really try and boost the vitamin C as much as possible, which is why I steamed the spinach, because it really helps keep all of the vitamin C inside the spinach. In addition, I'm going to add some orange segments and some grapefruit and a little orange juice. And that's also going to help boost the vitamin C, which will help your body absorb all of the iron. And just to make it taste even more delicious, we're going to add a little bit of olive oil. It's almost like a cooked spinach chilled salad. And some salt. And I'm going to mix it all together. And should be a nice burst of citrus and spinachy goodness. It's bright and still a little crunchy and extremely delicious. This is Laura's Market Fresh Club, and you just learned how to maximize the iron in your cooked spinach.